Right. So now the bike there are no brakes. I didn't put any brake, so the bike can stand only thanks to the tilting lock in here. And how it works. So now the bike is free to lean. And you can see that the disc is moving freely inside the caliper. And the caliper is mounted on the sliding of the suspension. So everything is moving. Now, how can I lock the tilt? Here I can lock the tilt like this. Now the tilt is locked. And we can see that the rear arms are locked. So this is the cable, this is the caliper, the disc is locked, and the bike stands vertically. I remove the brake, and the bike stands on its own. To remove the tilting lock, it's simple. Now it's removed, and the bike can lean. And to be locked, now it's locked.